The world of valve automation is a fascinating one to explore. These small yet powerful devices controlling the flow of liquids and gases in a wide range of industrial applications are the unsung heroes of modern machinery. Uflow Automation, Automation Simplified. The journey from a humble beginning to extraordinary success is not easy. It requires years of hard work, dedication, and staying true to the vision. Our founder, Mr. Amit Malaviya, established Uflow Automation in 2012 from a small factory shed run by 3 employees to developing 2 massive world-class manufacturing units in Rajkot, Gujarat. We employ more than 700 employees, including 131 engineers, of whom 40% are women, as our director believes in women empowerment. Today, we are India's leading manufacturer of solenoid valves, industrial valves, and pneumatic products with 12,000 plus customers in more than 30 countries, standing amongst the pioneers of this industry. We dedicatedly offer a top-notch product portfolio that consists of solenoid valves and coils, pneumatic valves and actuators, ball valves, butterfly valves, pulse jet valves, angle seat valves, irrigation valves, high pressure regulators, roto-seal coupling, air cylinders and preparation units, medical oxygen equipment, one-touch fittings, etc. With over 2,000 innovative product combinations, we cater to several industries including oil and gas, railway, automotive, aviation, marine, chemical and pharmaceutical, medical, irrigation, food and beverages, power plants, textiles, cement, paper, robotics, packaging, and many others. At Uflow Automation, we specialize in developing customized products to match your unique needs. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure, equipped with the most advanced machinery and sophisticated technologies, enable seamless workflows and optimized production processes. From ideation to prototype testing, our R&D department is where ideas come to life and innovation is fostered. Geographically, we are located in the midst of India's engineering hub, which gives us the leverage to procure the finest quality raw materials from trusted vendors. Our manufacturing division boasts industry-leading machinery like the latest CNCs, VMCs, sliding head machines, laser welding and cutting machines. Molding machines, coil winding machines, etc. These machines come together to form the ultimate product from the raw materials. The factory floor is like a showcase of the symphony of man and machine, where every moment and placement is thoughtfully orchestrated to deliver excellence. At the end of each process, our dedicated quality control professionals test the outputs using the latest quality check instruments. Our commitment to quality not only upholds the reputation of our brand, but also instills trust and confidence in our customers. We are an ISO 9001-2015 organization, and our products hold numerous certifications like CE, PESO, BIS, ERDA, ATEX, TRCU, PED. Then comes the process of valve and coil assembly, where we very carefully, piece by piece, form a complete functional product. Now, the finished product is tested one last time to ensure product safety, functionality and durability. Once the valves and coils are completely tested, they are given unique barcodes. These products are then appropriately packaged and sent for dispatch by following the FIFO. In the near future, we aim to become India's largest pneumatic and valve automation company and also adopt Industry 4.0 technologies to improve efficiency and reduce cost. The expertise and dedication of each of our employees drive the success of the entire operation. They are periodically trained for the enhancement of their skills and technical know-how. We also offer transport facilities and subsidized healthy meals twice a day to all our employees. We constantly work towards attaining our mission to deliver the finest quality valve automation solutions that come with competitive pricing, on-time delivery and exceptional service to achieve and sustain high customer engagement. Our vision is to be globally recognized as a leading manufacturer of valve automation and pneumatic products that build a sustainable future for all stakeholders and propel India as a manufacturing hub. At Uflow Automation, keeping in mind the values of integrity, innovation, teamwork and customer focus, we endeavor to shape a better tomorrow.